If you've lost a charging case for your Meta glasses or you're just looking for a backup case, you could easily buy a replacement one directly from Meta, but it's gonna cost you $100. I have 3 solutions here that'll save you money and may even become your main case. Let's just go ahead and jump right in with the first charging case, which is also my favorite. It's this charging dock from BOBOVR. Alright, stop. I know what you're thinking. Ralph, you're an idiot. That's not your charging case. And first off, you're not wrong. On both counts, I'm an idiot. But also, this really is a charging case because the centerpiece here, it comes out and there's a battery clip that drops into the slim sleeve here, ultimately turning it into a charging case. This is the CG2 3-in-1 charging dock from BOBOVR. Since this is a video about charging cases, let's start off with that. It has a much slimmer case compared to the ones from Ray-Ban and Oakley. It's also a lot lighter too. However, it doesn't nearly have as much battery capacity as the original cases. It only has a 350 mAh battery compared to the 3000 mAh in the original cases. Even though it's a small battery, it's still enough to give one full charge to your Meta glasses. It charges via USB-C, or you can drop it into the dock to charge it. A problem you might have with this charging case is the fact that because it's not a rigid case, it's not going to be as protective. It's only really good from keeping your lenses from getting scratched because even the arms don't fit in the case. They fold on the outside, leaving them vulnerable. If you don't care for the sleeve though, that's fine. You can just take the battery clip out and carry it that way. It only weighs 19 grams, and compared to the original charging case, it's a lot easier to drop into your pocket. The final piece of this kit is the charging dock. Again, it uses that battery clip that drops right into the stand. This will charge the battery, but also, it transforms the unit into a desktop charging dock. The dock has some weight to it and 4 rubber feet on the bottom, so it's not going to slide around on your desk. It's also relatively slim for a desktop charging dock, so if you're going away on a business trip, this is pretty easy to pack up as well. I'm going to give this case a 4.5 out of 5. It's almost a perfect replacement case for your Metas. I have to knock that half point off because it's just not as protective as the cases from Ray-Ban and Oakley. Other than that, it does everything you really need it to. Charge your glasses, and at half the price of the replacement cases. I started this video with the most versatile solution, so now let's check out the most minimal one. This charging case from Featch is basically a folding case. It's super slim and can completely hold your glasses in them. Now this actually isn't a charging case, not in the sense where you can drop your Metas in here to charge them back up. There's no built-in battery in here to power up your glasses. It actually uses this magnetic cable to charge your glasses. It's really easy to use though because it just connects here towards the bottom via magnets. You can then connect the other end to a power bank or outlet. As a minimal case, it's nice. I'm only going to give this 3 stars though because it can't charge your Metas up without being powered itself. My issue here is that it uses that proprietary cable. I'm never a fan of these things because if you lose or break it, this thing's done. If you like the concept of how minimal this case is, real quick I have something else you might like instead. This is the Linkoo Star charging adapter. This accessory simply connects to the charging prongs on your Metas. Then you can use any USB-C cable to charge them back up. This thing works great, and I suggest anyone with Meta glasses to pick these up because they're just so small, you can put them pretty much anywhere. So when you need to charge your glasses, you can just connect this piece and charge up your glasses with any USB-C cable. Now finally, if you just prefer the original Meta charging case but don't want to spend $100 on a replacement, this case here from Kissmart is exactly what you're looking for. Now this charging case just works. It functions almost exactly like the original charging cases. It even weighs roughly the same. The only thing this case is missing is the pairing button on the back to pair your Metas to your phone, which technically you don't really need because you can pair your Metas without the charging case. The case just makes it easier. Other than that, this charging case has a built-in 3000 mAh battery, similar to the original case. It also has a similar LED on the front to tell you when the glasses are charging, and also to give you the charging case's battery level. It has a nice firm structure to protect your glasses, and the outer shell is covered with polyurethane leather. And of course the charging port here is on the bottom. This is basically just the stock charging case in a different body. I'm giving this 4.5 stars. The only reason I'm taking that half point off is because there's no innovation with it. It doesn't have a detachable battery like the BOBOVR does, and it's not slim like the Featch case, but this case does do everything the original case does, and at half the price. But yeah, I'll have all these cases and the little charging adapter linked in the description below, and while you're there, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subs before I explore Asia for a year, and we're getting close. I'm still going to be making videos while I'm out there, so the only thing that's really going to change is the background, and probably my tan too. This is pretty bad already. Whenever we hit that milestone, I'm going to fly to a subscriber and give them a free pair of Meta glasses and an Insta360 camera in person, so make sure to share this video so we can get to that goal even faster. Alright, that just made me realize that I need to go buy some sunblock, so I'm gonna do that now.